Hello and welcome back to Carblog India. Today I'm with the Renault Kwid, and in this quick video I'll take you through this car's exterior, interior, ride and handling, engine performance and all such details. Keep watching. As you can see, the Renault Kwid has got a very bold and a very muscular styling. You get a bold grille which gets a Renault badge in between. You get sleek looking headlamps and a very chunky bumper with very neatly carved out fog lamp enclosures. Even in side profile, the Renault Kwid looks pretty aggressive. It gets bits like blacked out B pillars, some plastic cladding around the wheel arches, and even some interesting elements like indicators over here. However, the ORVMs are very basic, and even the door handles are not body colored, and even the top end RXT trim doesn't get alloy wheels. Also, while this might look like a rub strip, it's actually a vinyl coating. The rear end has to be the best part of this car's design. You get very sleek tail lamps, a neatly sculpted boot lid, and a chunky rear bumper with a lot of plastic cladding. You also get a roof integrated spoiler, which is a very neat touch. However, there is no rear wash wipe, and even the window glass doesn't have a defogger. Among the highlights of the Kwid's cabin is the space on offer. The top of the line RXT variant gets as many as 3 glove compartments, and apart from this, there are many other storage spaces around the cabin. The front seats offer good support but get non-adjustable headrest. The steering wheel is also pretty good to hold and looks pretty sporty too. Right now I'm in the back seat of the new Renault Kwid, and as you can see, even with the driver's seat pushed pretty much backward with a driver of height 5'8", I'm pretty comfortable over here. There's a lot of space on offer, and I don't think there's any other car in this segment which offers as much space. Even the upholstery used and the plastic on the door trim is pretty high quality. However, I do miss power windows for the rear doors, even on the top end trim. The Renault Kwid gets as much as 300 liters of boot space, which is comparable to some of the pricier cars on sale today. Powering the Renault Kwid is a 799cc 3-cylinder petrol engine that develops more power and torque than the Alto 800's engine. It is also more refined than its competition. However, it is not as peppy as we would have liked it to be. But where this engine scores is the fuel economy. With an ARAI rated fuel economy of more than 25 km per litre, the Kwid has become the most fuel efficient petrol car in India today. For a car of this segment and price, the ride quality even at the back is pretty good. It soaks in most of the craters with ease, and you don't really feel any jolts in the rear seat. The Kwid gets an electronic power steering which doesn't offer much in terms of feedback. However, the steering isn't exactly light and the car is pretty sure-footed. Overall, the Kwid comes across as a very competent product. It has got a spacious cabin, a very fuel-efficient engine, and a good ride quality. Don't be surprised to see the Kwid becoming the next success story from Renault India. So with this, I come to the end of our video review. I hope you liked it. Subscribe for more such videos and don't forget to hit the like button. I'm your host Yatharth signing off. Thanks for watching.